Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you easy breakfast recipe bread omelet. 3 eggs. Off onion. Salt to taste. 1/4 tablespoons chili flakes. 1/4 tablespoons pepper powder. Mix well. One tablespoons butter. Toast 4 pieces bread. Add 1 tablespoons butter. Pour egg mixture. Add bread slices. Cook it well. Flip bread omelet. Tomato sauce. Add cheese. Carrot. Sweet corn. Add bread toast both sides. Wait until cheese melt. Ready to serve bread omelet. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.